The general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x is unknown variable and a, b, c are numerical coefficients. For example, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a quadratic or quadratic equation. Here, a is not equal to 0 because if it is equal to 0, then the equation will not remain quadratic anymore and it will become a linear equation such as bx plus c equals 0. Thus, this equation cannot be called a quadratic equation. The terms a, b, and c are also called quadratic coefficients. The solutions to the quadratic equation are the values of the unknown variable x, which satisfies the equation. These solutions are called roots or zeros of quadratic equations. The roots of any polynomial are the solutions for the given equation. There are basically 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. Number 1, factoring. Number 2, completing the square. Number 3, using quadratic formula. And number 4, taking the square root. And next, this is how you derive the quadratic equation. So the first step is divide both sides of the equation by a. So it will become x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Then number 2, transpose the quantity c over a to the right side of the equation. So it becomes x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. Third, complete the square by adding b squared over 4a squared to both sides of the equation. So it will become x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared equals 4b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Then next, factor the left side and combine the right side. So x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So next, extract the square root of both sides of the equation. So x plus b over 2a equals positive or negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then lastly, solve for x by transporting the quantity b over 2a to the right side of the equation. Combine the right side of the equation to get the quadratic formula. So x equals negative b over 2a, positive negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have our example here, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So first, find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5. In this case, the numbers are 2 and 3. Then next, equate them to 0. X plus 2 equals 0. Then x plus 3 equals 0. So our answers are x equals to negative 2 and x equals to negative 2. Then next, substitute negative 2 first. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So it will become negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2 plus 6 equals 0. Next, then 4 minus 10 plus 6 equals 0. Then 10 minus 10 equals 0 equals 0. Then next, negative 3. So negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 3 plus 6 equals 0. Then 9 minus 15 plus 6 equals 0. Then 15 minus 15 becomes 0 equals 0.